Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to import into Plater. To begin, you'll typically navigate to the File menu within your Plater software. From there, select the Open File or Import option. This action will prompt you to browse your computer for the specific 3D model you wish to bring into the workspace, ensuring it's ready for your next steps. Before importing, it's crucial to prepare your files carefully. Make sure your 3D model is saved in a compatible format like STL, OBJ, or 3MF. It's also a good practice to check for any mesh errors or non-manifold geometry in your design software. Correcting these issues beforehand can prevent significant problems during the slicing and printing process, saving you time and effort. Once you've selected the import option, a file dialog box will appear on your screen. Navigate through your computer's folders to locate your prepared 3D model file. Select the desired file, then confidently click the Open or Import button. Your model should now appear within the Plater's three-dimensional workspace, perfectly ready for further adjustments and preparation. After importing, take a moment to visually inspect your model within Plater. Confirm that its appearance, scale, and orientation are as expected. The software might display warning messages if issues were detected during import. Once satisfied, you can proceed with positioning, scaling, or duplicating your model to prepare it for the slicing process, ensuring a successful print.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.